This tutorial is going to go over setting up scheduling. So we're going to have to set up the production steps. We'll have to assign production steps to products, also set up the scheduling calendar, and employees will need to also have steps assigned to them. So to start off, you're going to go from the maintenance menu, or the main menu, to the maintenance menu. Click on production steps. Click yes that you want to add steps. You're going to type in the description of the step. You're then going to say how long that item takes to complete. So it could be a day, it could be half a day, it could be a quarter of a day. You can use decimals to determine how long that's going to take. You will also say how many of these you can do in one day. If you work on Saturday and Sunday, you will also need to fill those types in, but the default is 0 for both of those. So say you can only do 20 per day. You're going to go through and add 20 to each one of those days. To add more production steps, you're going to click Add New. Type in your description. You're going to say how long it takes to complete that item. Enter in how many you're going to do. And keep adding in all your steps until it's completed. Click Exit out of here. Your next section is to go into your products. If you have existing products set up, you will pull up your product. If not, you'll enter your product description in, assign it to a department, enter any prices if needed, and then you're going to assign it steps. So your steps need to be in the order that they need to show up in the schedule. So if build-up needs to be before model, it needs to be first in the list. If model needs to be first, then you need to switch it around so model is first in the list. The items on the left are the items that will be scheduled. The items on the right are going to be a list that's available to schedule, but not necessarily assigned to this specific product. You'll go through all of your products and assign all of the products the steps. Once that's completed, exit back out to the maintenance menu. You'll need to set up your scheduling calendar. There are 7 different events that need to be set up. They all have to have a start date. They do not have to have an end date. Your most common ones would be weekends. That's all months, all weeks, Saturday and Sunday. We're going to put in another one. Start date. We're going to do Christmas. And that always falls on December 25th. So we're going to check mark that box. We're going to do another one. New Year's Eve. Start date. Or New Year's. January 1st. Our next one, we're going to have a start date, Memorial Day, and that is May the 5th Monday of every month, or every May. Click Add New. Your next one is going to be 4th of July, and that always falls on July 4th. Your next one, it's going to be Labor Day. And that is always September. It's always the first Monday of the month. The last one is Thanksgiving. Now, some labs do take multiple days off. For the most part, the logic can be November the 5th Thursday. It can also fluctuate a little bit, but it does normally fall within a criteria. Instead, if you don't want to do the 5th Thursday, you can put in the date. Once your scheduling calendar is set up, you can click Exit. You will need to set up your employees with the steps. So you have your employee names. You're going to assign that employee to a step. Employees may have one step, or they may have a whole list of steps, depending on what they're allowed to do. Once you have all 4 sections, the production steps, and then production steps assigned to products, your scheduling calendar, and your employees, then you can start scheduling cases in Case Entry.